Hi guys, Menno here from Kingmanno Tech. This is a video unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's see what's included in the box. This box includes Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, pre-installed SIM card, pre-installed screen protector, wall USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector. Alright, so let's open this bad boy. Open it earlier, just so you guys know. This is the phone. Look at the screen right here. Look how gorgeous this screen looks. Beautiful. This is the wall charger. This is the, let me see. This is the USB cable. Alright, aka USB Thunderbolt. Alright, this is the stereo headset, AKG stereo headset. Let me just open this bad boy right here. It looks real good. Alright, so here we go. It comes with like four like earplugs, you know, four replaceable earplugs. Here we go. Just get rid of this real quick. Alright. Put this to the side. This is what it looks like. Alright. This is the headset. I like, you know, it looks a lot different from the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, you know, if you remember. Alright, so let me get rid of this. And of course, the OTG connector, or for file transfer. Here we go. OTG connector. Alright. And this is the user manual. User manual is order. Oh, this is actually right in there. And of course, this right here is to open the SIM card tray. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna use it, so I'm gonna leave it, put it to the side. All right. So this is the user manual. Alright. User manual. Alright, put this to the side along with everything else. Let's go to the phone. This is a white Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, 128 gigabytes. Alright, this is the power button. This is the USB Thunderbolt charger right here. Stereo speaker on the side. The headphone jack right here. And then this is for the antennas. This is for the megahertz antennas right here, 1 and 2. And this is the SIM card tray right here. Along with so this is both a SIM card tray and also the SD card. You insert the SD card right here as well. All right. Front camera. Let's see what it says right here. Let me just It has this is what it looks like, and I have to unlock it. Like I said, I opened it earlier, and let me just unlock it real quick. I really like the way the display looks. It's really gorgeous. And this is the fingerprint sensor in the middle. Just use it, and bam. Let me see if I can do it. See if I can show you guys right here. See, I can't really do it for you guys to see, but I can try. Boom. All right, it unlocks it. All right, so here we go. This is what it looks like. This is a very gorgeous display. I have already set up my wallpaper. I don't know if you guys can see the wallpaper right here. All right, this is really fast. Opens up photos. Yahoo Mail. See how fast it opens up, it loads up. Okay. Let's see what else. Play Store, Google Play Store. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. All right, this is Asphalt. This is a game, Asphalt 8. Let's see how long it takes. I know I'm in a very slow Wi-Fi at the moment, but I know it takes a long time. Probably has to download the file first. What it looks like. So I'm not gonna play the game, but let's see. Alright, so this is what the game looks like. This is a very I need to upgrade. I've had this Asphalt 8 for a long time. So I need to upgrade to Asphalt 9. I've had it for a long time. I've been playing this game for a long time, and I really love it. It's one of my favorite games. Alright, so let's close up this bad boy. This is a Spada Koda Tronca TSS. This is the car. This is a game love game. Alright, Asphalt 8. This is a must buy right here. Alright, so wait. Cancel. Okay, see you guys. Look at this. Look at this look at this car right here. This car looks very aggressive. Very aggressive. Alright, so let me exit, because I'm doing a video unboxing. I'm not playing games at the moment. I'm not gonna play any games. Alright, so if you wanna check your email, this is what you do. You go to boom, you check your email. Alright. This is the front camera, and this is the rear camera. Right here, okay? So I took some pictures earlier. I want to show you guys. Obviously, I'm gonna be reviewing this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This is just a video unboxing, so I'm not gonna go into details about the phone. You know, I just wanted to give you guys a preview about, you know, what the phone looks like, You know, that's about all I'm doing. All right. So here we go. Chrome. This is Chrome. I just opened up Chrome. It opens up real fast. I have to sign in. All right. Let me know. Let me see if you guys can. I don't know if you guys can see the wallpaper. This is a very gorgeous wallpaper right here. All right. If you know this movie, comment down below. Let me know. If you know this movie right here as my wallpaper, just comment down below and let me know which movie it is. All right. All right, guys. So this is it. I'm not gonna go any further since I'm gonna be doing a video review of that Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It's gonna be coming up soon. So it was just a quick video unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Here it's really gorgeous. You know, this is let's load up one of the browsers, Samsung. All right, this is the Samsung browser. It loads up real fast. All right. So this is it. This is the Samsung Galaxy. This was a video unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know about what you think about this phone. This is a very gorgeous phone. Look at this. All right. So thank you for watching. It's Manno from Kingmanno Tech. Subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.